Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon, and today on Partner Talks, I have Tanja from mscrm-addons. Tanja, introduce yourself and tell people who you are and what you do.
Sure. Thanks for having me, Rick. Good to see you again. And also congrats to your status renewal of an MVP.
Oh, thank you
So,
very much.
so my name is Tanja Gföller, and I'm working as a sales manager at mscrm-addons.com for almost 6 years now. And I truly enjoy working with our customers from the EMEA region on a daily basis. I'm available for them for all sales-related tasks. And besides that, I'm really keen to improve my know-how constantly. So, for example, AI and Copilot nowadays.
Okay, excellent. And, mscrm-addons has been around this space for, I'm going to say, at least 20 years. I've worked with them since the beginning, and I think they're one of the most recognized ISVs, globally, especially in the Dataverse side of things. Let's talk a little bit about a couple of your core products that I think are really important, and we're seeing a lot of partners use. And let's talk about your DocumentsCorePack first.
Yes, so I totally agree with you. So we've been around for 21 years now, having the focus on Microsoft business applications, and we developed the solutions because we have seen the customers are having pain points in Dynamics 365, and we wanted to provide them with a solution. And therefore, we are well known now with the DocumentsCorePack, as you have already mentioned. And the DocumentsCorePack is a document generation tool based on Dataverse that allows you to generate and deliver professional documents in various ways. So either manually in Dynamics 365, but also completely automated on the Power Platform and even via Copilot.
Yeah. And, it's a great product. And actually, hundreds of partners have sold this product globally. But last year, I was at the Community Summit and I was in your booth and we were talking about your attachment extractor. And, the ROI on this product is absolutely incredible. Let's talk a little bit about it.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's definitely having its momentum right now because attachment extractor is for storage optimization by reducing the capacity for Dataverse and Dynamics customers. And what we have seen with Dynamics and Dataverse customers, many of them are working with a lot of emails. So on a daily basis, sending email back and forth and tracking all of them in Dataverse. And that can consume a lot of capacity. And if you track all the emails on a daily basis, you get very close to the entitled capacity limit, and then you have to pay on top of that. And that's where we come in, because with our attachment extractor, you can go ahead and extract your data, so email content or even also attachments from the initial Dataverse environment to an alternative location, such as SharePoint or blob storage. And in that way, we are able to reduce the capacity and save some costs.
So this product, I think, really is a product whose time has come because as an individual user, there's three people that work with me using my instance of CE. I get emails from Microsoft telling me I'm over capacity. So, if I had 10 users, 20 users, or 500 users, I must be getting a big bill from Microsoft on my capacity charges. So let's talk a little bit about what's the ROI on this product.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's what a lot of customers are facing, this challenge, and having to pay on top of that to Microsoft. And that's why we can now say that we have, at the moment, more than 650 attachment extractor service running actively. And what we have seen there is that there is an average return of investment at about 200%, but for best case scenario, it can even go up to 1,000%, which is incredible. We even have a calculator published on our website where you can calculate how much we can reduce, but also the potential return of investment. So there you can see what return of investment you could expect by using our attachment extractor.
And what we really discovered about this product is how easy it is to install and get up and running. So let's talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, we really try to make it as user friendly as possible. So no installation is required. It's simply going on our website, starting an attachment extractor service. So creating a service, the solution is installed in the Dynamics environment and it starts working. So I would say an average setup time about 30 minutes. So how would you call it? Plug and play?
Yes, plug and
Yes,
play. But
plug and play.
also that the users don't lose the attachments, right? They get stored either in Azure storage or in SharePoint. So to the user, they're still going to see the attachment there, and they can put a call to it anytime they need it.
Yeah, that's super important for us to keep it transparent. That's how we call it, which means there's no change in the UI in Dynamics 365 for the end user. So they can still access and work with the content, even though it has been extracted to an alternative location. The good thing here is when the customer or the end user is accessing the data in Dynamics, it's loaded back. So the real content is loaded back into the system almost real time.
Okay, excellent. So mscrm-addons is very active in our community. We've got a lot of shows happening this fall. So where can end user customers and partners meet you and see all of your products?
Yeah, so a little bit coming up in fall again. I'm already looking forward to the conference season. So we will be at the Nordic Summit in Sweden, then also at the Directions EMEA in Poland, and then the Community Summit in Orlando, and last but not least, the Power Platform Conference in Las Vegas. And I hope we're gonna meet each other there again.
Okay, and I'll see you at most of those conferences, and I think the partners that are viewing this today will be there, and hopefully some of our customers, and they can get to know your company, all the products, and really have a look at the DocumentsCorePack and the attachment extractor.
Yes, absolutely. So I'm really looking forward to see everybody there. So well-known faces, but also meet new people there and to just catch up and do good networking and be around so innovative people and
Okay,
ideas.
Tanja, thanks for your time today, and I'm sure I'll be back to talk to you in the future about mscrm add-ons and all the great work you're doing around the Microsoft ecosystem.
Yes, thank you. It was great seeing you. Have a nice summer and talk soon.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.